everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Now, we all have this certain kind of a skincare routine which we like to follow in order to take care of our skin so that it looks fresh, glowy, radiant. But do you know that there are few common skincare mistakes that we all tend to make which causes a lot of damage to our skin and we don't even realize that we are making those mistakes. So if you love your skin, which I'm sure you all do, so here are those 11 common skincare mistakes which we all tend to make, and I want you to stop making that right now. It's good to exfoliate your skin. It helps to clear out the dead skin cells, makes your face looks really glowing and fresh and clear and clean. But the problem starts when you start over exfoliating or overdoing the scrubbing onto your face. Now, if you are doing that, that would actually cause a lot of damage to your skin rather than doing something good for the skin. It can cause some discoloration, irritations, breakouts, and so many other things. No matter whatever skin type we are, we have to make sure that we moisturize our face and body. Even if you're an acne-prone skin or an oily beauty, you cannot afford to miss on moisturization on a daily basis. And I feel that the best time to moisturize is right after you get out of the shower, when your skin is a little damp and moist. That's when the body absorbs the hydration the best. Now I know that those pimples can be really ugly and very bad at some times, but we should not pop them, because if you pop your pimples, it will cause acne scars, dark spots, some irritation. That is more uglier than having a pimple. So stop popping your pimples. Now the skin of your lips is more sensitive than your skin of your face. So it's very important to moisturize your lips. Apply a lip balm to soothe the chapped lips, and the best time to apply a lip balm is right before you go for your bedtime, so you can wake up with softer lips. Now the problem with sun damage is that it shows its results in a really long time. It does not show its visibility very soon. So right now you may feel fine, that your skin is absolutely okay skipping on the sunscreen routine, but it can actually cause a lot of damage and it will show results when you grow old. So always make sure to use a sunscreen before you step out of the house, 30 minutes prior of stepping out of the house, and you should never miss it. Now ideally you should always make sure to wash your face and then go off to sleep, especially if you have your makeup on. And even if you don't have your makeup on, you still need to wash your face. Why? Because you have a lot of sweat, the oil secretion that is done over the day, and then there's a lot of dirt and other impurities that get stuck onto your face. So you need to get rid of that before heading off to the bed. And if you have makeup on, then it's a big no-no. You should absolutely wash your face, because then it causes a lot of breakouts, acne, and a lot of other skin irritation. It also results in early aging. So if you're feeling too tired, then I can suggest you to just use a wet wipe for your face, the makeup removing wipe, and then clean your face with that. But it's best to wash your face. A good night's sleep is very essential to have a good skin, because if you're sleep deprived, a good night's sleep is very important, very essential to have a good skin, because if you're sleep deprived, it immediately shows onto your face. And talking about dark circles, they are the most ugliest and the worst. So make sure to have at least 8 hours sleep on a daily basis. Now your cell phone is a petri dish of bacteria. Half of your acne problem is because of the mobile screen of your phone, because you don't really clean it and it has a lot of dirt. So when you hold the phone close to your face, it causes a lot of infection that transfers onto your face. So acne problems and skin irritations, a lot of things can happen. So make sure to clean the screen of your mobile every now and then, like once in 3-4 days. So you should make this a regular habit. Now stress is a part and parcel of life. You can't really avoid it, but you can put it at a bay for some time, because when you have too much stress, when you're stressed out, your face, your skin looks really dull and very, very, just, you know what I mean. So make sure to not take too much of stress, and the idea should be to meditate, to relax, to just take a chill and avoid getting into tensions and stress as much as possible. Because if you have stress, then it shows on your face, your entire look will be a little more dull. Now, consuming liquid water is the solution to half of your skin problems. It makes your face glow, it puts acne at bay, and also if you're not drinking too much of water, your face looks really dry, dull, lifeless, and acne is something also that happens if you don't drink too much of water. Your face in general looks really lifeless. So make sure to drink 3 to 4 liters of water on an everyday basis. Now, avoiding cleaning makeup brushes is something, it's a major blunder that you're doing to your skin, and it causes a lot of harm because makeup brushes which have a lot of usage, which have been used too many times, they are full of bacteria and germs, and you don't want that to touch your skin. So it's very important to wash your makeup brushes once a week, and then you can be taking care of your skin in a better way, and your makeup brushes also they also survive for a longer time. So stop making these skincare mistakes and you will notice the difference on your own. Let me know in the comment section below what you thought of this video, and let me know if it helps you in any way, and give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you later. Bye!